Okay, in this video I'm going to show how to add Google Authorship to your website. This is very important because in the future, this is how Google's going to know if your site is original and whether or not you copied off somebody else. So this is all about the duplicate content thing. It'll also allow your picture to show up if one of your blog posts rank or your website starts ranking and you see the Google search results. It'll allow your picture to show up in those results. So it does several different things. If you want to be ranking in Google in the future, this is one thing that you must do. So the first thing we need to do is go to your Google Plus page and sign in. So we can just go like this. Okay, so I'm signed into my Google Plus. Now I want to go back to Google and I want to type in Google Authorship. This Google Authorship is a very big deal, and it's going to be more and more important in the future. You see how this guy's face shows up on this search result? That's Google Authorship. That's part of it. But the big part is you're showing Google that you are the original author of the content on your website. So if somebody copies and pastes it and puts it on their website, Google will not rank that. They'll only rank your stuff, your original content. So let's click on this. Okay, there's two different ways to do it. The best way is to have an email set up with your name and then your website address. So in my case, I'm doing my carpet cleaning site. It is joe@missoulagreencarpetcleaning.com. So what I'm going to do, if you don't have that email created, you need to go and create that. And then sign up for authorship. And then you need to go verify that at your email address. So I'm going to pause the video and get into my email, and then we will pick it up from there. Okay, now I've logged into this email here, and I'm going to click on the new email from the Google Plus team. And it says, please click the following link to verify you want to add Joe at Missoula Green Carpet Cleaning to your Google profile. And so I want to click this link here. You have verified the email address. Okay, now when we go to my website, and we go to, let's say, the recent blog post, it's got my name here written by Joe Burnich, which is also associated with my email, joe@missoulagreencarpetcleaning.com, and that email has now been submitted to Google Authorship. And now what will happen is when I start ranking these blog posts, my picture will show up, and if anybody goes in and tries to copy and paste my content here, Google will know that I'm the original author. I have the best chance of ranking. Whoever copies it does not. It's just Google's way of keeping track of who's actually writing this stuff and who's not. They're trying to associate it with a real person rather than just a bunch of internet spam that's getting worse and worse out there. So I hope this helps. This is the stuff that you need to do to your website. Of course, all of my clients will be having this done for them, for my SEO clients. And if you're a design client, then you will need to do this yourself. Give me a call if you have any questions and we can step you through this. Now, I also need to mention that my name that's on my website where it says by Joe Burnich, that name has to be the exact name that matches my Google Plus page. So right here you see Joe Burnich. That matches my Joe Burnich on my website. So that is very important as well. And if you don't have an email that's associated with your domain, or if you can't get one, there is another way to do this. I will put a link down below this video and you can click on that, and Google will give you instructions on how to do it a separate way. But this is the best way because it will automatically start popping up on every page. It'll work for every page on my website automatically with the email. Otherwise you have to go through and do it individually for each page.